India has done it. It has become now the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon after the US, China, and the former Soviet Union. This is a potential game changer. NASA has hit peril. You realize that ice is worth 5 times, pound for pound, 5 times the value of gold on the moon. This could change the way we view space exploration, living off the land, using the ice of the moon. What could India's Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission have uncovered that even left Michio Kaku, one of the most optimistic voices in theoretical physics, visibly unsettled? A spacecraft, a journey to the moon, and a discovery so shocking it sent ripples through the scientific community. What did they find, and why does it challenge everything we thought we knew? Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 represents a major milestone in space exploration, cementing India's place among the global leaders in this field. The mission came to succeed where Chandrayaan-2 faltered in 2019, achieving a historic soft landing on the moon's south pole, an area largely unexplored by other nations. This region is considered crucial for understanding the moon's resources and its potential to support human colonization. Initially, the results of Chandrayaan-3 thrilled scientists. The Vikram lander and Pragyan rover confirmed the presence of frozen water, an invaluable resource for sustaining future lunar missions and potentially even human colonies. Alongside water, they detected minerals like magnesium and silicon, which are essential for constructing lunar infrastructure. But what began as a triumphant mission soon took a mysterious and unsettling turn. The first signs of something extraordinary emerged as the Pragyan rover, equipped with cutting-edge spectrometers, began analyzing the lunar regolith, the fine, dusty layer covering the moon's surface. At first, the terrain appeared barren and lifeless, as expected, but then the rover detected trace amounts of material unlike anything previously catalogued, not just on the moon, but anywhere in our solar system. This mysterious substance exhibited properties that defied conventional physics. It seemed to absorb electromagnetic radiation in a way no known material could, acting almost like a sponge for energy. Michio Kaku described the finding as both groundbreaking and deeply unsettling. If the material is natural, it challenges our fundamental understanding of physics. If it isn't natural, it raises a far more disconcerting question. Who or what created it, and why is it there? The intrigue deepened with another startling discovery: anomalous heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar south pole. These emissions fluctuated in ways that suggested responsiveness to external stimuli. Initial theories posited subsurface magma as the source, but the moon has been geologically inactive for billions of years. This left scientists scrambling for alternative explanations, with some speculating about the possibility of alien artifacts or structures beneath the surface. Conspiracy theories regarding extraterrestrial activity on the moon are not new. For decades, rumors have swirled about the South Pole being a potential site for alien bases or observation posts. While such ideas have long been dismissed as fanciful speculation, Kaku has now admitted that these findings compel us to re-evaluate what we thought we knew about the moon, and perhaps about our place in the universe. The most shocking revelation came weeks later when ISRO released preliminary data from a groundbreaking experiment conducted by the Pragyan rover using ground-penetrating radar. The rover discovered a massive, cavernous void beneath the surface of the South Pole. What was even more astounding were the geometric structures detected within the void, patterns and shapes that could not have been formed by natural geological processes. These findings, still under investigation, have profound implications. If verified, they could rewrite our understanding of the moon's history and its role in the broader cosmic narrative. Kaku's apprehension reflects the scientific community's growing unease. Have we stumbled upon evidence of an ancient non-human intelligence, or is there a natural explanation we have yet to uncover? Whatever the truth may be, Chandrayaan-3's discoveries have left humanity on the brink of a new era of cosmic exploration and a deeper confrontation with the unknown. Kaku panicked when he was shown the preliminary diagrams of these formations. According to the data, the structures appeared to be metallic and arranged in a grid-like pattern, resembling the framework of a constructed facility. This wasn't some haphazard scattering of rocks, it was organized, deliberate, and seemingly ancient. But here's where things get even stranger. The dimensions of the void suggested that it was large enough to house a small city. This revelation has triggered a flurry of speculation. Could these be the remnants of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, or are we looking at something even more unsettling, an artifact of human origin, perhaps from a forgotten chapter of Earth's history? These theories are not as far-fetched as they might seem. In recent years, scientists have begun to entertain the possibility that intelligent life might have existed on Earth millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by cataclysmic events. Could some of these ancient humans or their artifacts have made it to the moon? Meanwhile, other scientists are focusing on the potential dangers of the discovery. If the structures are indeed extraterrestrial, there's the risk that disturbing them could provoke an unintended response. What if the heat signatures detected earlier are part of a still active system, one designed to react to intrusions? Kaku, known for his cautious optimism about humanity's ventures into space, has now warned that we need to proceed with extreme care. He's called for an international coalition of scientists and policymakers to examine the findings before any further missions are sent to the South Pole. Adding another layer of complexity is the strange behavior of the Chandrayaan-3 rover itself. Following the initial scans of the underground void, Pragyan experienced what ISRO described as unexplained technical malfunctions. The rover's instruments started sending back garbled data, and its movements became erratic. While ISRO attributed these issues to mechanical failure, others aren't so sure. Could the malfunctions have been triggered by an interaction with the anomalous material or the underground structures? Kaku has emphasized the importance of transparency in addressing these questions. While much of this is baseless conjecture, it reflects a growing public awareness that something extraordinary and possibly terrifying is unfolding on the moon. What's perhaps most unsettling is how little we still understand about the moon. Despite decades of exploration, for all the missions we've launched and all the samples we've collected, the moon remains a world of mysteries. And now, with Chandrayaan-3's discoveries, those mysteries have only deepened. As Kaku put it, the more we learn, the less we seem to know. The question now is, what happens next? ISRO has announced plans for follow-up missions to the lunar South Pole, but these are years away. In the meantime, other nations are eyeing the region with renewed interest. NASA's Artemis program, for example, aims to establish a permanent lunar base near the South Pole within the next decade. Will these future missions uncover more of the moon's secrets, or will they confirm our worst fears? Kaku's panic isn't just about the discoveries themselves, it's about the implications for humanity. If we're not alone in the universe, as these findings increasingly suggest, then everything changes. Our understanding of our place in the cosmos, our scientific priorities, and even our geopolitical strategies will need to be reevaluated. As Kaku warned, the moon may not be the barren wasteland we thought it was, and if that's true, we need to start asking some very big questions, questions we might not be ready to answer. As we await further updates from ISRO and other space agencies, one thing is clear: Chandrayaan-3 has opened Pandora's box of possibilities. Whether those possibilities represent hope or danger remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: our exploration of the moon has only just begun, and it's already reshaping our understanding of the universe. The revelations from Chandrayaan-3 have sent shockwaves across the scientific community and beyond. While the world grapples with the startling implications of these findings, first it's essential to consider why the moon's South Pole has been a target of such intense scrutiny. The South Pole isn't just another region of lunar terrain, it's a treasure trove of resources and mysteries. With its permanently shadowed craters, this region holds vast quantities of frozen water ice. Scientists believe these ice deposits are relics from the early days of the solar system, making them invaluable not only for sustaining future lunar bases but also for unraveling the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Could the moon, at some point in its distant past, have supported primitive life forms? And if not, why does this source exist in such abundance on a world that lacks the conditions for life as we know it? The presence of water ice is already groundbreaking, but it pales in comparison to the other discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3. The unknown material found in the regolith, for instance, has the potential to rewrite our understanding of chemistry and material science. If this substance is indeed capable of absorbing and manipulating electromagnetic radiation, its applications could be revolutionary. Imagine materials that could render objects invisible, enable energy storage at unprecedented scales, or even facilitate the creation of advanced propulsion systems for spacecraft. But with such potential also comes risk. As Kaku has pointed out, understanding this material fully will require caution. Any misuse or misinterpretation could have unintended consequences, particularly if its origins remain unknown. The geometric structures detected beneath the lunar surface are another matter entirely. The idea of constructed facilities on the moon is not as far-fetched as it might initially sound. Over the decades, various whistleblowers and conspiracy theorists have claimed that the moon has been a site of extraterrestrial activity, with some even suggesting that humanity's first steps on the lunar surface were observed by alien entities. While such claims have often been dismissed as pseudoscience, the data from Chandrayaan 3 lends new weight to these theories. If these structures are indeed artificial, they could represent one of the most significant archaeological discoveries in history. But their implications are far-reaching. Who built them? When? And why? To understand the scale of these questions, it's helpful to consider some of the theories that have been proposed. One possibility is that these structures were created by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization that used the moon as a base for observation or resource extraction. The moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal vantage point for monitoring our planet, and its lack of atmosphere ensures that any structures built there could remain preserved for millions or even billions of years. If this theory is correct, it raises the unsettling possibility that humanity has been under observation for much of its existence. But for what purpose? Are we part of some grand experiment, or merely a curiosity for beings far beyond our comprehension? Another theory is that the structures could be the remnants of an ancient human civilization that achieved a level of technological sophistication far beyond what we currently understand. This idea aligns with the hypothesis that intelligent life may have existed on Earth long before the rise of our current civilization. Cataclysmic events, such as asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, or global climate shifts, could have wiped out these ancient societies, leaving behind little more than tantalizing traces. If these early humans managed to reach the moon, it would suggest that our species' potential for exploration and innovation is far greater than we've ever imagined. But there's also a darker possibility, one that has caused Kaku and other scientists to express alarm. What if the structures are still active? The fluctuating heat signatures detected by Chandrayaan 3 suggest that something beneath the lunar surface is generating energy. If this energy is being produced deliberately, it could mean that the structures are part of a still functional system. And if that's the case, we must ask, what is the system's purpose? Is it a beacon sending signals into the cosmos, a trap designed to deter intruders, or something else entirely, something we cannot yet comprehend? Kaku has emphasized the importance of approaching these discoveries with humility and caution. As he has often said, the universe is not obligated to make sense to us. Our understanding of reality is shaped by the limits of our knowledge, and when we encounter phenomena that defy explanation, we must be willing to expand our perspectives. This is not the first time humanity has been confronted with the unknown, but it may be one of the most consequential. The implications of these discoveries extend far beyond science. They touch on philosophy, religion, and even politics. If we are not alone in the universe, what does that mean for our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos? Many religious traditions teach that humanity is unique, created in the image of a divine being. The existence of other intelligent life, or evidence of their activities, could challenge these beliefs in profound ways. At the same time, such discoveries could inspire new forms of spirituality, rooted in a sense of connection to a vast and mysterious cosmos. Politically, the discoveries raise questions about how humanity should respond. Should nations collaborate to investigate the moon's mysteries, pooling their resources and expertise for the greater good, or will the moon become a new arena for competition and conflict as countries race to stake their claims and exploit its resources? The history of exploration on Earth offers both hope and caution. While exploration has often led to collaboration and the exchange of knowledge, it has also been marked by exploitation, conquest, and inequality. As we venture into the cosmos, we have an opportunity to choose a different path, but doing so will require wisdom and foresight. The public response to these revelations has been a mix of awe, excitement, and fear. Social media platforms are abuzz with speculation as amateur sleuths pore over the data released by ISRO and attempt to decipher its implications. Some have likened the discoveries to the opening chapters of a science fiction novel, while others see them as the beginning of something far more profound. Sure. Here is the text broken into paragraphs. Them as a wake-up call reminding humanity of the vastness and unpredictability of the universe. For many, the discoveries have reignited a sense of wonder, an appreciation for the mysteries that lie beyond our planet, and a recognition of the fragile beauty of life on Earth. Meanwhile, scientists around the world are working tirelessly to analyze the data and develop new theories. The discoveries have already led to a surge in funding for lunar research as governments and private organizations seek to capitalize on the momentum generated by Chandrayaan 3. New missions are being planned with a focus on exploring the Moon's south pole and investigating the structures and materials uncovered by ISRO. These missions will face significant challenges, from the technical difficulties of operating in a harsh and remote environment to the ethical dilemmas posed by disturbing potential artifacts of extraterrestrial origin. As humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, Michio Kaku's words serve as both a warning and an inspiration. The universe, he has said, is a vast and wondrous place full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But as we venture into the unknown, we must do so with care, humility, and respect for the cosmos, for each other, and for the truths we have yet to discover. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 have challenged our understanding of the Moon, the universe, and our place within it. They have sparked new questions, new debates, and new dreams, and while the answers to those questions remain elusive, one thing is clear: the journey to uncover the secrets of the cosmos has only just begun. With each new mission, each new discovery, humanity takes another step forward in its quest to understand the universe, and while the path may be uncertain, the possibilities are limitless. Chandrayaan 3 has shown us that the Moon is more than a barren rock. It is a gateway to the unknown, a reminder of the infinite potential of the human spirit, and a challenge to our assumptions about reality. As we continue to explore the Moon and beyond, let us do so with open minds, open hearts, and a deep sense of wonder for the mysteries that await. The Chandrayaan 3 mission has not only reshaped our understanding of the Moon, but also forced us to confront questions that challenge the very core of our scientific and philosophical beliefs. As humanity stands at the threshold of unprecedented revelations, it's worth exploring these questions in greater depth and considering how they might shape our future. One of the most pressing questions concerns the true nature of the structures discovered beneath the Moon's surface. If these structures are indeed artificial, they raise profound questions about their creators. Are they the work of an ancient extraterrestrial civilization, or could they be evidence of an advanced human society that predates recorded history? Both possibilities are staggering in their implications. If the structures were created by extraterrestrials, they could provide insights into technologies and materials far beyond our current capabilities. Studying these structures could be akin to handing a smartphone to a caveman, a chance to leapfrog centuries of technological development. But this scenario also raises concerns about the ethics and risks of reverse engineering alien technology. As history has shown, the misuse of advanced technology can have catastrophic consequences. If humanity is not careful, we could inadvertently unleash forces we do not fully understand. The alternative, that these structures are the remnants of an advanced human civilization, is equally mind-boggling. Such a discovery would upend our understanding of human history and prehistory. It would suggest that humanity has achieved great heights of technological and cultural development, only to be brought low by cataclysmic events. This theory aligns with myths and legends from cultures around the world that speak of advanced civilizations destroyed by floods, fires, or other disasters. Could the structures on the Moon be the key to understanding these ancient stories? And if so, what lessons can we learn to prevent a similar fate for our own civilization? The potential implications of these discoveries extend far beyond the Moon. If the structures are part of a larger network, the idea of galactic archaeology, where humanity uncovers the remnants of ancient starfaring societies, is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is a real possibility made more plausible by the discoveries of Chandrayaan 3. But these discoveries also raise unsettling questions about the intentions of the creators of these structures. If they were built by extraterrestrials, what was their purpose? Were they meant to observe humanity, or perhaps to serve as a warning? The fluctuating heat signatures detected by Chandrayaan 3 suggest that the structures may still be active in some capacity. If they are sending signals into space, who or what are they communicating with, and what happens if those signals are received? These questions are not merely academic. They have real-world implications for how humanity approaches the exploration of the Moon and other celestial bodies. As Michio Kaku has pointed out, humanity must proceed with caution. The universe is vast and mysterious, and we cannot assume that it operates according to our expectations or desires. While the search for knowledge is a noble endeavor, it must be tempered by humility and a recognition of our own limitations. One area where these discoveries could have immediate practical implications is in the development of new technologies. The unknown material discovered in the lunar regolith, for example, could revolutionize fields ranging from energy storage to telecommunications. If its properties can be understood and harnessed, it could lead to breakthroughs that transform every aspect of human life. But this also raises ethical questions about how such technologies should be used and who should have access to them. Will they be shared for the benefit of all humanity, or hoarded by a select few? The answers to these questions will shape the future of our species. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 also have profound implications for our understanding of the Moon as a potential site for human colonization. The presence of water ice at the South Pole is already a game-changer, as it provides a critical resource for sustaining human life. But the structures and materials discovered by the mission suggest that the Moon may hold other resources and opportunities that we have yet to imagine. As humanity prepares to establish a permanent presence on the Moon, these discoveries will play a crucial role in shaping the design and goals of future missions. But colonizing the Moon also presents challenges that go beyond the technical and logistical. The potential presence of extraterrestrial artifacts raises ethical and cultural questions about how humanity should approach its interactions with these structures. Should they be preserved as historical and scientific treasures, or repurposed for practical uses? And what happens if they contain information or technologies that could be used for destructive purposes? These are not easy questions, and they will require careful consideration by scientists, policymakers, and the global community. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 also have implications for how humanity perceives its place in the universe. For centuries, humans have looked to the heavens and wondered whether we are alone. The possibility that the Moon holds evidence of extraterrestrial activity is a powerful reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. It challenges us to expand our understanding of what is possible and to approach the universe with a sense of curiosity and wonder. At the same time, these discoveries are a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. The structures on the Moon, if they are indeed ancient, may serve as a warning about the impermanence of civilizations. They remind us that even the most advanced societies can be brought low by forces beyond their control. This is a sobering thought, but it is also an opportunity. By studying these structures and learning from the past, humanity can better prepare for the challenges of the future. The public reaction to these discoveries has been as diverse as it is intense. For some, the findings are a source of inspiration and excitement, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and exploration. For others, they are a source of fear and uncertainty, raising questions about the unknown and the potential dangers of delving too deeply into the mysteries of the universe. This diversity of perspectives is a reflection of the complexity of the issues at hand. There are no easy answers, and the path forward will require careful consideration and collaboration. As humanity grapples with the implications of these discoveries, it is worth reflecting on the broader context of space exploration. The Moon is just one of many celestial bodies that hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. From Mars to Europa to the distant reaches of the Kuiper Belt, the solar system is a vast and largely unexplored frontier. Each new mission, each new discovery, brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. But exploration is not without its risks. As humanity ventures further into space, it must be prepared to confront challenges and uncertainties that are unlike anything we have encountered before. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 are a reminder of the need for caution, humility, and a commitment to the principles of science and ethics. They are also a reminder of the incredible potential of the human spirit, the capacity for curiosity and innovation that has driven our species to achieve the seemingly impossible. In the end, the discoveries made by Chandrayaan 3 are not just about the Moon, they are about humanity's relationship with the universe and with itself. They are a test of the power of exploration and the importance of asking questions, even when the answers are difficult or uncomfortable. They are a challenge to think deeply, to act responsibly, and to dream boldly. As Michio Kaku has said, the universe is a vast and wondrous place full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The journey to understand these mysteries is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a profoundly human one. It is a journey that requires courage, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, it is a journey that has only just begun.